Hello and welcome to this week's newscast from PEI. I'm Kelvin Ross. In this week's headlines, Alstom Grid has won contracts worth more than $62 million for network upgrades in Germany. In Sweden, a pension company has for the first time directly financed the construction of several wind farms. The US Agency for International Development has funded the construction of a gas-fired power plant in Afghanistan. And an insurer has been selected for what will be Europe's largest solar PV park. Alstom Grid has won 11 turnkey projects worth more than $62 million to modernise part of Germany's electrical network. The contracts have been awarded by Netze, the German distribution network operator of EnBW. They include the construction and upgrade of 4 gas-insulated substations in Stuttgart city centre, and 7 turnkey air-insulated substations in rural areas. All of the works are scheduled for completion by 2017. Martin Konnemann, Netze's managing director, said the ongoing development of renewable energy technologies was driving the company's modernisation and expansion of its distribution networks. And Alex Kosman of Alstom Grid Germany said that the contracts marked yet another milestone in the modernisation of the country's electricity distribution networks. Vattenfall and banking and insurance company Skandia are jointly investing almost $264 million to build 4 wind farms in Sweden with a total output of 141 megawatts. The deal marks the first time that a Sweden pension company is directly financing the construction of new wind power capacity in the country. Vattenfall and Skandia will own equal shares in the joint operating company. One of the 4 wind farms is already built and will be handed over on the 1st of January. The other projects, which are all being built by Vattenfall, are expected to be delivered in early 2016. Vattenfall Chief Executive Magnus Hall said that the joint investment with Skandia will bring about the faster expansion of renewable energy in Sweden. The United States Agency for International Development, or USAID, is to provide $125 million to assist in the building of a gas project in Afghanistan. The project includes the construction and operation of a gas processing plant and a 200 megawatt gas-fired power station in the north of the country. USAID has also joined forces with the Asian Development Bank and the US Department of Commerce to stimulate international private sector interest in the development of natural gas infrastructure in northern Afghanistan, particularly in gas processing and power generation. Specialist renewable energy insurer G-Cube has been selected to provide cover for a 300 megawatt solar plant in France, which once complete will be Europe's largest solar photovoltaic park. The Cestus project near Bordeaux comprises several individual sites and is due for completion in October next year. G-Cube will insure technological assets worth €285 million and all project revenues involved in the park. G-Cube underwriter Jamie Fleming said that the project was notable because Europe's PV industry has so far consisted predominantly of small sites in a handful of core markets such as the UK, Germany, Spain and Italy. He said the Cestus project was a timely reminder of French ambition in the market and may well initiate a shift in the status quo going forward. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again soon.